welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Many of you asked me the secret behind my glowing skin and healthy shiny hair. So today I'm going to reveal my secret. Apart from applying good skincare products, it is very important to maintain a healthy diet. We are what we consume in a day. So let me reveal the product, and the products are from Kapiva. You must have heard about this amazing brand, and this is the first product from Kapiva, that is Thar Aloe Vera Juice. This is the first juice I have tried of Kapiva, and then I have bought more, and this one is the Kapiva Thar Aloe Vera Juice within 4 hours of harvest. Are aware of aloe vera benefits, right? We all have aloe vera plant, but this aloe vera juice is something you need to get, and this you have to consume in morning, early morning, and you can also consume it before any meal. जिसे भी ग्लो चाहिए स्किन पे, drink this healthy. Talking about the packaging, I am quite in love with this pastel shades, and this is, talking about the quantity, this is 1 liter. I drink this juice, like aloe vera juice from Kapiva, cause it repairs your dead skin and make your skin glow. Also, it boosts up your immunity, and in today's era, you need to boost your immunity. Immunity is everything, cause you know what our world is fighting against, so you have to maintain your immunity, and for this it will help you. And I have been trying it for months, and I have restocked my Kapiva juices, and this is the first juice I am telling about. There are more, so keep watching the video till last. If you're upset about your body fat, it will also cut it off. So yes, it will cut off your fat from your body. So yeah, it is totally a magic drink. I would say that you should try at least for 1 month, and you will see the difference, and you will restock as I did it. Let me show you that how to make this super amazing immunity booster drink. So this is the measuring cup, and they have a mark of 30 ml. So you have to take 30 ml of this aloe vera juice and then add 30 ml of water to dilute it. So now I am opening the bottle. So yeah, now we'll take 30 ml of juice, and yeah. So this is the 30 ml of aloe vera juice. Now transfer it into a glass. I'm taking a small cute glass. Adding 30 ml of aloe vera juice, I'm adding 30 ml of water. So total of 60 ml. So yeah, transferring the water. And yes, your healthy immunity booster drink is ready to get healthy hair and skin. Cheers. It's not that bad, like not bad, it doesn't taste bad, and for my skin and hair I can drink even karele ka juice. So what is this aloe vera juice? It is not that bitter, and yes, first of all, you should take it as a medicine, so you shouldn't think of taste, but let me tell you guys, it doesn't taste bad at all. You can drink it, and you have to drink only 30 ml of that and add 30 ml of water, so it is already dilute and it works magically, like seriously. Cheers. It's all about Kapiva Thar Aloe Vera Juice and its benefits. To the next magical drink that I came across, that is Kapiva Rajasthani Neem Juice. Now again you must be thinking neem, but you also know the benefits of neem. So yeah, this is how the packaging, again beautiful pastel shades, again 1 liter. So the quantity is like sufficient. Let me tell you guys that Kapiva products are gluten free, cruelty free, vegan, and they are well tasted. So yeah, it's pure, and it is tested that they are pure, so you don't have to like worry about the side effects. They are natural, 100% natural. So yeah, now coming to the Rajasthani neem juice, which is made with fresh neem leaves, and let's just check the inner packaging. Wow. So the Rajasthani neem juice from Kapiva is highly rich in vitamin E, and we also know the benefits of vitamin E because we use remedies of vitamin E capsule a lot. I have mentioned in my videos too, but why not consume that vitamin E in a natural way rather than applying it on a skin? It will work faster and help you get healthy skin and hair. So in your family, if someone is facing acidity issues, it is very helpful. So for acidity, this is your solution, permanent solution. Like this high level of antioxidants, so it will help you fight against the signs of aging, so you will look younger and younger day by day. So yeah, who doesn't want to look younger than what their age is? So this is the secret to look young. Then when it comes to health, there are no shortcuts. So yes, you have to drink it regularly and make it part of your diet. So talking about how to consume it, you have to again take it 30 ml of neem juice and add 30 ml of water to it to dilute it. You can take it twice a day. All about Kapiva Rajasthani neem juice, and I am a big fan of neem when it comes to skin remedies. But as you know that applying a product on your face is not that effective when you consume it directly, and it works internally, it will show their magic. Now the third and last my secret juice which I consume is Kapiva Noni juice, which is a all-round tonic. I mean it, like it works insanely, like all problems will be solved. Guys, that Kapiva juices are keto friendly, and if you are having any health issue, it will help you solve them. You have to drink it regularly and you will see the changes. It is rich in biotin and vitamin C with all natural ingredients. By the name that this is Noni juice, it is an overall tonic. It will help you in getting a perfect body. It is for your overall health, any health issue. This is so useful. You can gift it to your mom or your grandfather, grandmother. If they have joint pains, it will help them heal them, or any pain due to stress and anxiety, it will help to reduce it. So yeah, Noni juice is an all-round tonic. You should have this one at your home for everybody. Every single person in your family should take. Details are mentioned here, like how you have to consume, what precautions you have to take. So you should read all the details of the product and then you have to consume it. And I have consumed it for months and I haven't seen changes in my hair and skin. So it works internally and you will see the difference after a month. For the three amazing juices, Magic Tonic from Kapiva. From Ring, Kapiva also have its pure aloe vera gel, and I'm a big fan of aloe vera gel because it helps me get a proper glow on my skin. It nourishes my skin, moisturizes my skin very well. And this aloe vera gel, you can see the jar, it's pretty amazing and it's pure. And what else we need? It is the best hydrating gel I have came across. It nourishes your skin very well, and also if you have sunburn, you should apply it over the sunburn and it will heal it. And it smells so pure and amazing, and look at the color, so fresh. I'm gonna apply it on my skin. And aloe vera is my favorite hydrating gel, which I apply every morning because it nourishes my skin so well and there are no side effects. I can't trust any beauty product. I can trust aloe vera gel, and it is pure and I can see the changes. Look at the glow it has given to me. I apply aloe vera gel daily in the morning because it nourishes my skin and gives a proper hydration which I need, especially in winter. So yeah, apply it every morning and night and you will see the changes in your skin texture. Like it feels soft and like literally baby soft, and there's no need to apply any moisturizer after it because it has hydration, very well hydration level. So if you are a big fan of aloe vera gel like me, you should try this one and you'll see a good change in your skin. I apply it on my hair before I go to shampoo and it makes my hair soft and silky. It was all about a beautiful range from Kapiva, all the healthy drinks and pure aloe vera gel. And these are the magic drinks I consume daily in the morning before my breakfast and before any meal I consume. High time you should make it part of your diet and you'll see the difference and you will definitely love the result. Share the purchase link in the description box. Do have a look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Do hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you subscribe me already, love you guys. I'll be coming back with more such amazing products. Also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is Blushing Bloom by Bhageshri. Share more such amazing products which you can include in your diet or in skincare regime. So stay tuned guys. I'll be coming back with more such amazing contents. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Love you.